Now that we are starting to learn how angles work, we are now going to encounter the measurements or solving measurements for different angles. Don't worry, we have your module. You have different postulates and theorems that will help you with that. As for this practice exercise, we are asked to solve for the measurements of these four items here, one of which is a measurement of the variable x that could actually help us determine the measurements of the three different angles later on. To do that, let's try to look at what is given. The given here is the angle MAN, MAN, that would mean this angle here measures 197 degrees. And this is a combination of two different angles. Angles MAP, which is given to be x minus 3 degrees, and you have angle PAN, which measures 2x plus 11 degrees. To solve for this, we do have the angle addition postulate for that, which tells us, similarly to the segment addition postulate, but for segments only, here, angle addition postulate tells us that the measurement of an angle could be a combination of two different measurements. In this case, the measurement of angle MAP and PAN. So to solve for x, we're going to use that concept that the measurement for angle MAP. If we talk about solving measurements, we use this notation because if we don't have that notation and let's just simply say MAP, this is an angle, not the measurement. We can't add angles, but we could add their measurements. That is why it's important for us to have this. Let's go back here. The measurement of angle MAP plus the measurement of angle PAN must be equal to the measurement of angle MAN per angle addition postulate. And let's try to substitute the given and solve for the first item, x. Again, that could help us determine the rest of the unknowns. Measurement of angle MAP is x minus 3 degrees plus measurement of angle PAN is 2x plus 11 degrees. Their sum is equal to the given 197 degrees. To solve for x, we just simply need to use the different properties of equality. First, combination of terms. You have 3x. Negative 3 plus 11 is positive 8 degrees is equal to 197 degrees. Then subtract 8 both sides. Okay? And then you will have here 3x is equal to 197 minus 8 is 189 degrees. Divide both sides by 3 to cancel that out. We could have the value for x, which is equal to the measurement of 189 degrees divided by 3, which is given to be 63 degrees. Before applying this to the rest of the angles here, it's always important that we are convinced that this is correct. And to do that, let us do a sort of checking. Let me move this a little bit here so that I could add here checking. Let me move here for a little bit here. Okay. Checking will be required by this process here, wherein x is 63 degrees rather. And then we will have here the checking. Substitute the value for x. You have 63 degrees minus 3 degrees. Again, checking is your own concern. It could help you if you want to. So I'm not going to require it to you. It's up to you. And you have 2 times 63 degrees plus 11 degrees must be equal to 197 degrees. And you put a question mark since you already substituted the values. So you have 63 minus 3. I could change it already to 60 and then plus 2 times 63 is 126 degrees if I'm correct, plus 11 degrees, still question mark. We don't know yet if it's really equal to 197, and then 107 degrees here. So next would be the sum of the three. So you have 60, 186. So you have 197 degrees is equal to 197 degrees. It satisfies the sum of the two angles under angle addition postulate. That would mean we are 100% sure this is correct. Okay. Now that we are sure it's correct, we can now solve for the rest. Why? Because angle PAN uses the same value for x, MAP as well, and even the combination of or the measurement of angle PAY, which is a combination of PAN and angle NAY. Let's start here. For PAN, this is actually represented by 2x plus 11 degrees. Substitute the x, which is 63. So you have 2 times 63 degrees plus 11 degrees. And this would actually equal to 126 degrees plus 11 degrees. And then this is 137 degrees. This is the measurement of angle PAN. Angle MAP, or the measurement of angle MAP, will use the same value for x. This is given to be x minus 3 degrees. So x is 63 degrees minus 3 degrees should be equal to the measurement of angle MAP should be equal to 60 degrees. Another way to convince you whether our answers are correct or not is to go back to the item number one, MAP, which is 60 plus PAN, 137, is equal to MAN, 197. 63 plus 137 degrees is 197 degrees. This is the result of our early checking earlier. We are now sure that these two are correct. As for number four, this is a combination of angle PAN and NAY, and as therefore, we will do it like that under angle addition postulate. This is the measurement of angle PAN plus the measurement of angle NAY. Since we already have the value for PAN here, and we are sure of this, we may use it here. 107 degrees plus NAY, which is 50 degrees. So the measurement of angle PAY is given to be 187 degrees. Again, this is the measurement of angle PAY. Just for a summary, what we have used here and will still be using later on is the angle addition postulate that allows us to add two or more angles given two or more angles to get the larger angle combining them. Please review this video, retry answering it on your own so that you could work on your worksheets independently. If you have questions, please do not be afraid to contact me anytime. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.